Hey future techies, how are you doing today? If you're fresh out of high school and wondering what should I do, then Decision Junction brings you some very interesting concept here. Welcome to Tech DJ. So are you confused with the selection of courses? What should you select? Computer science or data science? So let's see how your Tech DJ helps you to understand which course will suit you the best. So let Tech DJ break down the difference for you. What should you select? Computer science versus data science. Let's look at some of the main features and that might help you to select one of the choices. So what's computer science? Imagine you are building the next Google or designing a mobile app. That's correct. It's the core science of how computer works. You will learn how to write programs, understand hardware and build software systems. So in computer science, what you'll study is programming languages, C++, Python or Java. You'll learn about algorithms and data structures, operating systems and networks. You'll learn more on the databases which are used in organizations today. You could also learn about web and development. So if you love solving puzzles, building things and understanding how machine works, you can certainly select computer science. So on the other hand, what's data science? Now imagine this, you love tons of information and your job is to find hidden stories inside it. So here's data science for you. It's more about extracting meaning from data to help businesses and organizations make decisions. So here you're going to study statistics and probability, machine learning, data analysis and visualization, Python or R for data, and big data tools like Spark, Hadoop, etc. So if you love patterns and numbers and want to work with AI, automation or even prediction, you might try your luck with data science. Okay, so this is what you actually want to do in your future goals. Let's see. If you're thinking to design an app, build websites or games, then you can have a choice. Or else, if you would want to work with AI, analyze your business data or predict any market trends, so you have to make your own choices. On one hand, you'll have computer science as your course, and on the other hand, you will have data science as your course. Both these courses or both these fields are incredible, and guess what? They are often overlapping today. A good data science scientist might know how to program, a great computer scientist understands the data. So pick the one that sparks your curiosity now and keep evolving. So that's your journey and how you progress with it. Best of luck in it. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked the content. Please like and subscribe as you follow and wait for more videos.